Right. In the previous video, we talked about finding the product of prime factors, where we express the composite numbers as their product of prime factors. Today, we are going to move on to highest common factor. So, definition. Highest common factor is the biggest number that divides both numbers. For example, if you're given two numbers and you're asked to find the highest common factor, you find the biggest number that can divide both numbers without leaving a remainder. For example, you are given 36 and 48 and you are asked to find the highest common factor. So the first thing that you do is you express 36 as a product of its prime factors. After expressing 36 and 48 as a product of its prime factors, you then write highest common factor below. You look at the products of the prime factors of the two numbers and you look for numbers that are common. The first common number is 2, you write 2. Then you look at the powers. This is 2 to the power 4, the power is 2 to the power 2, the power is 2, and here the power is 4. So you take the lowest power, which is 2, and you leave 4. Then you move on here, you look at the common number is 3. Then you take the lowest power is 1. So the highest common factor is 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Then 3 to the power 1, 3. 4 times 3, this is 12. So you find the highest common factor. So you use product of prime factor to find the highest common factor. So let's move on to an example that we did in the last video where we expressed 2, 9, 4 as a product of prime factors, and we also expressed 784 as a product of prime factors. So we write highest common factor. We take the denominators 2, then we take the lowest power. The lowest power here is 1. Then you take the common number, which is 7 again. Then you take the lowest power is 2. So the highest common factor is given by 2 multiplied by 49. 2 multiplied by 49, which is 98. So the highest common factor of the numbers listed above is 98. That's how we find highest common factor. In the next video, we are going to see how we find the lowest common multiple.